Welcome to this channel once again. Today I'm going to discuss future continuous tense. Yesterday only I discussed simple future tense, simple future or future indefinite that we can call it. Now today I'm going to discuss future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous. Future continuous, CONTINUOUS। অনেক স্টুডেন্টই বিভিন্ন সময় দেখছি যারা একদম শুরুর দিকে শিখছে তারা অনেক সময় ভুল করছে। ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস, ওকে, দিস ইজ ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস। দেন I am starting with some examples normally that I do. This is the process I deal with, and I think that the students are very much benefited if I discuss these things like this. So sentence number 1: we shall be waiting for you. We shall be waiting for you. We shall be waiting for you. Okay, we shall be waiting for you. So here, next come to the second sentence. The animals will be running. Okay, the animals will be running first. We shall be waiting for you. The animals will be running first. Okay, পশুগুলো দ্রুত দৌড়বে। Third one, the cats will be loving their masters. The cats will be loving their masters. Then, what is common in this sentence? In these three sentences, so just let us try to find out the pattern, the common pattern that has been used in these sentences. We subject, the animal subject, the cat subject. Okay, we subject. Here in the first sentence, we subjects. In the second sentence, the animals subject. In the third sentence, the cats. Shall be, will be, will be. Okay, shall be, will be, will be. And then waiting, that is V1 plus ing. Running, V1 plus ing. Okay, waiting, V1 plus ing, that is wait plus ing. Wait plus wait, WAIT, wait plus ing. Running, RUN, 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 run. Run plus ing, running, RUNNING. Here double N because this is a CVC formula. If you want to know more about the CVC formula, then go back. There is a video. I made a video only on this formula. Okay. So in the description part also I shall provide you the link. Just go and watch that video. The animals will be running fast. This is the complement. Okay. This is V1 plus ing. LOVE, love, plus ing, loving. LOVE, love plus ing, loving. Then what is the common pattern that we can have from these three sentences? Subject, common pattern, that is called the formula. Then subject plus shall be or will be, shall be or will be plus V1 plus ing plus object plus complement. Okay, subject plus shall be or will be, subject plus shall be or will be. When it is we, then shall be. When it is I, then shall be. When we place other subjects, when the subject is different, then we shall use will be, as we have used here. It is plural, the animals, we have used will be. Had it been the animal only, যদি এটা সিঙ্গুলার হতো, the animal হতো শুধু, ওকে, তাহলে will be করতাম, the cats will be। তাহলে আমরা কি দেখলাম, আই উই এর পর আমরা shall ইউজ করি, তো সেখানে আমরা shall be ইউজ করব। বাকি যা কিছু সাবজেক্ট থাকুক আমরা সেখানে কি করব, আমরা সেখানে shall be এর বদলে আমরা সব জায়গাতেই will be টা ইউজ করব। তাহলে ফর্মুলাটা আমরা এখানে দেখলাম, সাবজেক্ট প্লাস shall be or will be। According to the subject, we have to use shall be, either shall be or will be, plus V1 plus ing plus object plus complement, right? So these are them. Okay, next, where to use, where to use, where should we use this tense? Let me write two more examples. Let me write two more examples, 2 to 3 more examples. The fourth sentence, the teacher will be teaching us. The teacher will be teaching us. Number 5, the worshipper will be worshipping. The worshipper will be worshipping. The driver will be driving the car. The teacher will be teaching us. The worshipper will be worshipping. The driver will be driving the car. The teacher will be teaching us. The worshipper will be worshipping. The driver will be driving the car. Here, what is happening actually? Meaning, the teacher will be teaching us. শিক্ষক আমাদেরকে শেখাতে থাকবেন। The worshipper, পূজারী, পুজো করতে থাকবেন। The driver will be driving the car. The driver, চালক, গাড়িটা চালাতে থাকবে। Okay? The teacher will be teaching us. The worshipper will be worshipping. The driver will be driving the car. Nice. So, use in future, something will be taking place. Something will go on happening, go on taking place. ভবিষ্যতে কিছু একটা হতে থাকবে সেরকম যদি বোঝায়, চলতে থাকবে, হতে থাকবে, ঘটতে থাকবে, এরকম যদি বোঝায়, তো ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স আমরা ইউজ করব। টিচার পড়াতে থাকবেন, ওয়ার্শিপার পূজারী পুজো করতে থাকবেন, ড্রাইভার গাড়ি চালাতে থাকবেন। বুঝতে পারলাম? তাহলে একই রকম ভাবে আমরা এটা আইডেন্টিফাই করতে পারলে আমরা ফর্মুলাটা এখানে ডিরাইভ করতে পারবো, ফর্মুলাটা অ্যাপ্লাই করতে পারবো। অ্যাপ্লাই হচ্ছে কিনা দেখছি। সাবজেক্ট, the teacher আছে will be teaching V1 plus ing plus object. The worshipper subject will be worshipping V1 plus ing. No object, no complement, no problem. The driver will be driving the car. The driver's subject will be driving V1 plus ing. The car object. Object is there, one object is there, no complement is there. So I have already said that in so many classes I have already informed you that if there is no object then you don't have any problem. If there is no complement then don't have any problem. But we must focus on the subjects and the verbs. Okay, we must have at least one subject in that sentence and at least one verb in that sentence. There may be many clauses, main clause and different subordinate clauses. In those sentences, we may have many, more than one subjects and more than one verbs. Okay, গুলিয়ে ফেলার কোনো দরকার নেই। তাহলে আই হোপ যে ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে যেটা আমরা আজকে ডিসকাস করলাম এটাতে এক্সেপশনাল কিছু কেস নেই, সেরকম সবই একদম নর্মাল। ওকে, তো I can expect that you will practice future continuous tense and you will have your concept clear. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.